colleagues, proponents of the various special covers today, and my very dear philatelists. Today, this would be meaningless. So thank you very much. As far as North Karnataka is concerned, I think I now have an experience of working for more than 33 years in the department nearly, and having been posted in a wide variety of places which ranges from the east to the west to the south, I think north only as a probationer though. I can tell you that I had my own quest for philately, which has always been almost like a second nature to me. So I've been creating a lot of philatelists, but I have remained a collector. Is such that wherever there is an opportunity, every philatelic exhibition, there should be something unique. So whether it is Mr. Charles Logo or whether it is Mr. Sudhakar or anyone else, Vijayalakshmi Sheth, I worked with several CPMGs, and there's one corner I always would select, that is the youth corner. Because I believe that philately is definitely a very serious hobby, but it has to get demystified for the children to accept it, to find it more acceptable. So there was always this quest. So when there was a tiger stamp, there would be a lot of tiger bommas, for children to feel comfortable. So if there was a Buddha, there would be something to do with the Buddhism. And so each one of us propagate philately in our own way. But the whole idea was to demystify philately. And I think with Sparsh, with Deen Dayal Yojana, etc., definitely the department has been successful in bringing philately to the common man who used to consider philately as the king of hobbies. While it remains a king of philately and the king of hobbies, the king of hobbies, what has happened, it has to become a prince, it has to become a commoner, only then will it be acceptable. Otherwise it remains with a few elite people, and from philatelists we have other versions of philatelists which are not really conducive for the whole environment. So that is why I do believe that the need for demystification has started. I would particularly like to thank you for having initiated, because Shri Kadakudi, if I'm right, has been the proponent of philately in the manner in which it has started. And today if we have Belgaum Philatelic Bureau, I have been told it's only because of the heritage which your father brings to this place. So that is the photo. So there are a lot of things which don't reach North Karnataka. But the fact that it has been established today as a philatelic bureau, and I can tell you, I worked in Kolkata as PMG Kolkata region. I worked in many other places, in Ahmedabad, in
कि पहली बार जब कोशिश की गई थी तब उस बार तो हम नहीं कर पाए क्योंकि लास्ट मिनट में फंड्स आए थे, तो सोचा इस साल कोविड के लॉकडाउन पीरियड में इस पर काफ़ी काम किया गया, और उसमें मैं धर्मेंद्र जय और मंजू का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है इसमें, जो कि रात दिन इस मेहनत को करते हुए इस हद तक, इस मुकाम तक वो पहुँचाने में समर्थ रहे हैं। इस अवसर पर मैं ये भी कहना चाहती हूँ कि कभी कभार नॉर्थ कर्नाटका को कहा जाता था कि वो क्या टारगेट को मीट नहीं कर पाएंगे, कुछ भी कहा जाए तो उत्तर नहीं मिलेगा। इस सब को पिछले 3.5-4 साल में पूरा नेगेट कर दिया गया है, एंड दिस इज नाउ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग रीजन्स नॉट ओनली ऑफ द सर्कल बट ऑफ द कंट्री। And the last comment which had come from the head of the circle was that you have managed to sow the performance, the sense of wanting to perform in such a way that they will continue to perform irrespective of the time of the day, and I hope this will continue irrespective of the person who holds the helm of the affairs. On this occasion, as is already mentioned by Mr. Kulkarni, we have tried to bring out permanent pictorial cancellations. Now earlier it used to be, whenever we used to bring it out, it used to be a rubber stamp which we would then send to Aligarh, and then it would come out in a metallic form. So it was
Philatelic Bureau is perhaps one of the biggest philatelic bureau in our country, meeting the demands of 13 nodal offices and thousands of Mediacom products. The only drawback of this philatelic bureau was it was functioning in a very small area with just 2 tables and 4 almirahs. There was no separate identity, and I was being put to a lot of embarrassment when some of the philatelists and other guests used to put me questions to provide separate identity for this philatelic bureau. Today I am very happy that the dream of philatelic bureau of encouraging and Karnataka are improving, and I take this opportunity to thank our PMG, Nina Srinivas, for her guidance, motivation, and making our dream come true. Support from many sources, and I feel that their contribution has made this philatelic bureau come out in a very beautiful way. I thank all of them from the bottom of my heart. As a part of this inauguration, we are releasing 5 special covers, 3 picture posters, and 2 permanent pictorial cancellations. Establishing this philatelic bureau, our staff have worked day and night, and I thank all my staff for their contribution and their dedication in this regard. It may not be out of contest to mention here that Belagavi division is a major contributor in the field of BD revenue, IPPB business, PLI and other work also. In addition, we have created history by installation of postman statue, which is first of its kind in India. In order to make our staff to show their sports excellency and bring in proper coordination, we hold a divisional level sports meet at Chandragi School, which was attended by more than 500 staff when we held it last time in February. I once again heartily welcome our CPMG madam, PMG madam, and all the esteemed guests who have come, and all the viewers who have connected live on Google Meet, YouTube and Facebook, and viewing this program live. Thank you one and all.